Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we've got something that's perfect for your outdoor adventures: the GasOne high-pressure single propane burner. If you've been looking for a reliable, durable, and efficient portable gas stove, this could be the one for you. Let's dive into why this might just be the best portable gas stove on the market. The GasOne high-pressure single propane burner is a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing a seafood boil in your backyard, this burner delivers on both performance and safety. It's designed with a heavy-duty metal construction and a cast-iron burner head that can handle the toughest cooking tasks, making it ideal for those who need a reliable heat source during outdoor cooking sessions. One of the standout features of this stove is its high-output design. It provides a steady and continuous flame, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly every time. Whether you're boiling water for a big pot of soup or grilling steaks, this propane burner gets the job done quickly without burning your food. It's all about getting that perfect, even cook, every time. What really sets this burner apart is the safety features built into its design. It comes with a top heat guard that prevents oil spillage and stops the flame from reaching the hose connection. There's also a bottom heat shield that protects the burner and any surfaces it's placed on from heat damage. These features make it one of the safest portable stoves you can use, which is an important consideration when cooking with gas. Durability is another area where the GasOne burner shines. It's built to withstand intensive use, making it a great choice for everything from fishing trips to backyard cookouts. The cast-iron burner head can handle the heat, while the high-quality hose ensures a consistent gas flow. So you won't have to worry about unreliable cooking temperatures. At just 9.37 pounds, this stove is also incredibly portable. Its compact design means you can easily transport it to any location, making it perfect for tailgating, camping trips, or even home brewing. It's straightforward to set up and use, so you won't waste any time fiddling with complicated settings or instructions. Simply connect your propane tank, light it up, and you're ready to start cooking. For those who enjoy outdoor adventures and need a powerful and portable stove, the GasOne high-pressure single propane burner is an excellent choice. Whether you're looking to cook for a small group or need something to handle larger outdoor meals, this stove has you covered. With its durable build, easy-to-use design, and high heat output, it's one of the best portable gas stoves you can find. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on the GasOne high-pressure single propane burner, make sure to check the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.